Little storyteller.
Blue the fluffy golden retriever wagged his tail. He sat on a soft green blanket under a big oak tree. Little gray squirrels scampered around, carrying acorns and bits of moss. One squirrel, Squeaky, used soft green moss to make a tiny comfy bed for his acorn. Another, Nutty, carefully balanced 3 acorns on top of each other, making a wobbly tower. Blue watched with bright eyes. He woofed softly, which meant, very interesting. He thought Squeaky's mossy bed looked very cozy. He thought Nutsy's wobbly tower was very clever. Blue gave Squeaky a gentle lick on the head. This meant, best use of moss. Squeaky's tail twitched with happiness. Blue then nudged Nutsy's acorn tower carefully with his nose, making it wobble even more, but not fall. He barked once. This meant, most precariously balanced nut. Nutsy chittered with joy. All the squirrels gathered around Blue, chattering excitedly. Blue wagged his tail, happy to see them having fun being creative with their acorns. He knew that even little things, like acorns and moss, could be used to make something special.
Please subscribe. Thank you.